You know the drill. 1001. I hope to go to the West Springfield swap meet this weekend. Springfield, Massachusetts. Maybe I'll go visit my friend, Mr. Napa Corvair, with his 69 Corvair race car. 1012, 1300, 400, 700, 900. Crank this baby up! Crank her up! As I was saying, I hope to be able to go tonight. It's a several-hour drive to Connecticut, stay over with Mr. Napa Corvair, and maybe Billy will show up too with his Scout 2 1977. Got junk? Yeah, we're doing a little wall repair. Piles and piles of plaster and lath and dust and plaster and lath and dust, and somebody threw a soda can on my property. Isn't that nice? Yeah. Look at this old Sears ratchet I found in my junk. Made in USA. 1950s vintage Craftsman H. Even had an old socket on it. .7/16 Craftsman. Interesting, huh? Where's the little hole that says oil regularly? That's what it says on a gray ratchet, made in Canada. Oil regularly. I oil mine sometimes. I don't use them very much. I don't do that much mechanical repair. Alrighty. I'm going to drop off the dusty plaster and lath in the dumpster. And maybe I'll see you in West Springfield, Massachusetts. Oh yeah, it's at the Eastern States. Eastern, roll your eyes. Eastern States on Memorial Avenue. Eastern States is a pretty big place with lots of old buildings, or old looking buildings. They're probably old now, but they look really old. Eastern States Fairgrounds, meeting place, county, whatever. Memorial Avenue in West Springfield, Mass. Now I forget. See you there.